Seriously? 真的假的？ You can do it. 你可以的。
Today's topic: short phrases for giving feedback in conversations. You will learn 25 commonly used short phrases for agreeing with someone's idea, expressing happiness for them, or showing sympathy. A casual dialogue demonstrating the natural usage of these phrases.
Note: you will notice some differences between the pronunciation and the pinyin on the screen due to the tone change rules in Mandarin Chinese. To learn more about these rules to better understand spoken Chinese, check out the free PDF in the description box down below.
Agreeing with someone's idea. Sounds good. 听起来不错。听起来不错。Looks good. 看起来不错。看起来不错。Me too. 我也是。我也是。I feel the same too. 我也这样觉得。我也这样觉得。I want that too. 我也想要。我也想要。Expressing happiness for others. Great. 太好了。太好了。Amazing. 太棒了。太棒了。So happy. 太开心了。太开心了。Congratulations. 恭喜。恭喜。You must be thrilled. 你一定很高兴。你一定很高兴。Uncertainty or disagreement. I don't think so. 我不觉得。我不觉得。Really? 真的。真的。Seriously? 真的假的？真的假的？ It's true. 真的。真的。Expressing surprise, sympathy, and encouragement. Oh my goodness. 天哪。天哪。It's hard to imagine. I can't imagine it. 好难想象。好难想象。It's awful. 太糟糕了。太糟糕了。What a pity. 太可惜了。太可惜了。You must be very sad. 你一定很难过。你一定很难过。You must feel awful. 你一定觉得很糟糕。你一定觉得很糟糕。It's okay. It's going to be fine. 没关系，会没事的。没关系，会没事的。You can do it. 你可以的。你可以的。Don't worry. 不要担心。不要担心。别担心。 别担心。Hang there, hold on tight. 撑着点，撑着点。加油 is the unique term in Chinese used to express encouragement or support. It literally means add oil and is commonly used to cheer someone on, similar to saying keep going, you can do it, or come on in English. 加油，加油。Dialogue. Do you want to go to the movie this weekend? 周末要不要去看电影？周末要不要去看电影？ That sounds good. I like to watch funny ones. 听起来不错。我喜欢看好笑的。听起来不错。我喜欢看好笑的。Me too. 我也是。我也是。Great. Then Saturday morning? 太好了。那就星期六早上。太好了。那就星期六早上。Okay. Will your roommate come together? 好啊。你室友会一起来吗？好啊。你室友会一起来吗？ No, he has the flu. It's a bit serious. He may have to stay in the hospital for half a month. 不会，他得流感了，有点严重，可能要在医院住半个月。不会，他得流感了，有点严重，可能要在医院住半个月。Oh my goodness, seriously? It's hard to imagine. It must feel terrible. 天哪，真的假的？好难想象，他一定觉得很糟糕。天哪，真的假的？好难想象，他一定觉得很糟糕。Yeah, I'm a bit worried too. 对啊，我也有点担心。对啊，我也有点担心。Don't worry, it will be fine. 不要担心，会没事的。不要担心，会没事的。Well, I hope so. 希望是这样。希望是这样。By the way, are you ready for next week's report? 对了，下星期的报告，你准备好了吗？对了，下星期的报告，你准备好了吗？ Not yet. It's a bit difficult. 还没，有点难。还没，有点难。You can do it. 你可以的，加油。你可以的，加油。Okay, I will do my best. Thanks. See you on Saturday. 好，我会加油的。谢谢。周六见。好，我会加油的。谢谢。周六见。Okay, see you on Saturday. Bye. 好，周六见。拜拜。 好，周六见，拜拜。